Hi dear students. So in today's class we are going to discuss about plaster of Paris. It's also called as POP. Okay. So it's a very important material which is used to fix bones, fractured bones by doctors or orthopedics. Okay. So plaster, basic building material for coating walls and ceilings. Okay. So it starts as a dry powder. It's hardened when applied together with water and heat because it sets with time. So different types of plasters are: one is plaster of Paris. It's also called as gypsum. The chemical formula of gypsum is actually calcium sulfate dihydrate. So CaSO4 2 times water. So there are two water molecules of crystallization. Another type that's called as lime plaster, and third one is cement plaster. So different type uses in different settings, as in architecture, art, fire protection, and even in medicines. Plaster of Paris is widely used in medical setting, especially in orthopedic department. POP results from the calcination of gypsum or calcium silicate dihydrate, which partially dehydrates to produce a hemihydrate or calcium sulfate hemihydrate. So when we heat actually gypsum to a temperature of around 373 Kelvin, it gets dehydrated, and if 1.5 molecules of water molecule are lost, we get POP. Okay. So if temperature greater than 100 degrees Celsius is applied, so whole of the water molecules of crystallization would be lost, and that would create anhydrous calcium sulfate, which is also called as dead burnt calcium sulfate. Okay, or dead burnt plaster. So this is a brief history about POP. The term plaster of Paris was first used in the 17th century due to large quarry deposits of gypsum located in Montmartre, a district of Paris. They mostly use them for sculpturing, decoration, and surface for painting. But researchers have found plaster wall and artifacts for interiors of Great Pyramids. This proves usage of plaster has been since ancient times. So invention of plaster bandage can be attributed to Arabic doctor in 1000 CE. Okay, but POP bandages were first used by Mathisen, a Dutch military surgeon, in 1952. So important indications of plaster usage: it's chronically stiff joints, hard and feel contractions of any joint secondary to fracture, amputation, tendon rupture, lacerations or repair, repairs and burns, deformity. So these are the plaster types. This cost application. So thank you.